So update, engine build, got the bottom end assembled. Right now I'm degreasing the cam, seeing what type of cam it is, duration, lift, center, lobe center line, and the amount of overlap and cam that red's in it I do not like. I'll be changing it with a different cam shaft that I have and checking that out. But what's going on? I got it. So that's what I'm doing right now. Pistons in, new bearings, new cam bearings, new connecting rod bearings, new rod bearings, new main bearings.
You know, it's getting wet outside, huh? Yeah, it's wet out there, huh? It's wet out there, my boy.
So what's this doing? I just degreased the cam. Here's the info from that. And it's not a very... I really don't like the cam the way the numbers are. So I'll be checking one of my other camshafts, which is right over here. I have other choices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different cams to choose from. So I'll be picking one of those and degreasing that next. And then my new high flow oil pump. And I have my Vortec heads ready to go. And intake manifold, put the carburetor on the Vortec key. And hopefully I'll have that all assembled today. I had a remote now oil filter, but as you read on the thing, it's not for Chevy, it's for Ford. I figured that out last night. So that's what's going on this morning and today. And Deanna's doing a lot better. Thank you for asking. Yeah, we got a lot of parts cleaned, a lot of bolts, brand new cam lifters soaked in oil. Not brand new, old stock. These are actually lifters, older lifters that are better than anything new, probably. So that's what's going on with that. Alright, we got all my performance books and different knowledge. So I'll be removing that cam out of there and checking a different camshaft that I have because I don't like the numbers on this one. It's just not what I want. Alright, that's what's up. I'll be back when I figure out which cam I want. Okay, bye.